My friends here with me are Trooper and Taz. They both were stranded animals, so they're going to say hello to you. Trooper is the littler one of the two, and Taz is next to him, so he's kind of showing him the ropes as he came here. Now also, up on the stage area, we have Catherine and Indy over there. Just going to give you a nice little wave with her tail. And then we also have Mary Ann and her friend Calypso. Very nice job. So of course these guys are bottlenose dolphins, and they're one of the many species who lives in the ocean. Now of course what we're going to show you today is we're going to show you what they're able to do, such as jumping up to heights of 16 feet where these balls are. They can also swim up to 15 miles per hour. We like to show our appreciation with our animals throughout the presentations. You'll see. One way is we like to give them one of their favorite toys. We have them go get some and retrieve some different items for us. She got her frisbee and a horseshoe. She's multitasking. We also give them one of their favorite foods. Theirs, not mine. And we can also show them how much we care with a back rub or a hug. Now, of course, because these are such amazing animals and we want to learn as much as we can about them, we have some special scientists here to show you some of their thoughts.
Clearly, cetaceans have suffered at the hands of